Hey everyone, welcome back to DelfStack. In today's video, I'll show you how to change the size of your slides. To get started, go to the Design tab in PowerPoint. Here you will see the slide size option. Click on it and you'll see two options, Standard and Widescreen. You can also customize the size by clicking Custom Slide Size. This will open a window where you can choose preset sizes or set custom dimensions. You can select either portrait or landscape orientation and choose a size that fits your needs. Here I am setting the width to 15 and adjusting the height as well. This example uses only one slide since it is just for tutorial purposes. You can also change the slide orientation between portrait and landscape before confirming. Click OK and PowerPoint will ask how you want to scale your content. Select Maximize to adjust your content to the new slide size. That's how you can change the slide size in PowerPoint. If you like this video, subscribe to our channel. Hit the bell icon for more easy tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.